Fidor Bank has redefined digital banking with its innovative approach to lending. At the core of its offerings is a feature designed to provide flexibility, transparency, and speed to borrowers. Unlike traditional banks, Fidor operates entirely online, which allows the lending process to be streamlined and significantly faster. Customers can access personal loans ranging from $1,000 to $50,000, with interest rates that are clearly presented up front, eliminating hidden fees and unexpected charges. The lending feature is powered by a fully automated system that evaluates creditworthiness using both conventional and alternative data points. This means that users with limited credit history still have a chance to access funds based on their financial behavior and digital footprint. Loan approval can occur in as little as 24 hours, and funds are transferred directly into the borrower's account immediately after approval. One of the standout aspects of Fidor Bank's lending platform is the integration with its community-driven ecosystem. Borrowers can connect with other users, receive advice, and even gain insights into better managing repayment schedules. The platform provides full transparency on the repayment plan, interest accrual, and total cost of the loan in dollars, ensuring users can make informed financial decisions. Additionally, Fidor Bank allows for early repayment without penalties, giving users full control over their financial commitments. Customizable loan amounts, flexible repayment terms, and a user-friendly digital interface make this lending feature particularly appealing to individuals and small business owners who prioritize speed and clarity. Overall, Fidor Bank's lending feature combines technology, transparency, and community support to create a seamless borrowing experience. With fast approvals, clear costs, and flexible terms, it sets a new standard in digital banking and lending solutions, making it one of the most compelling offerings in the financial sector today.